What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Behind me is a security door I just installed, and I got the other one on the ground. Look what happened, fam. So she ordered these and it was shipped in, and when they shipped it in, they knocked this whole screen out. So I had to cut it, and now I'm about to tack weld it back in there and have it sufficient. But when she ordered it, it came damaged. So I'm gonna repair this. You see, I'm always having my kit with me, and then we're gonna install the door. But things like this happen on the job site, fam, when everything was going smooth. Should have been just an in and outer, and we had to fall back, get her some pictures of this so she could turn this in for damages. But it got shipped way from California, so they probably end up refunding her or paying her to get it fixed. I don't know which way it goes, but I'm up on a Sunday morning, getting my hog on, fam. But I like to say, proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. I came prepared for whatever had to happen. Now I'm dabbing into it. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your repairs. Always bring a couple extra things that you might need just in case something go left field, because it can go left field and now I don't have to leave anything, and I can just go on and fix this and repair it and keep it moving. So just let y'all know how I'm getting my hog on this Sunday. Y'all be blessed. I'm out. Hold on.